In this episode, E.T. and Haleemah will continue to reflect on the meaning of their equation 3 times v plus 4 equals L, and think about possible values for v, Hector's velocity. They will try a weird number and see if it works.
What have you figured out about what numbers we can put in for velocity? What kinds of numbers can we put in, and are there any kind of numbers we can't put in for velocity?
We could put in any number that's not over 5 for the velocity.
Yeah, in this applet, but in general, like you were able to calculate it outside of that range, right? Like, so if you were just to see this equation in normal life without the applet, could you put things in outside of that range of -5 to 5?
Yeah, you could put anything.
Put anything in? Do you think you could put any number in, ET?
I'm not sure.
Not sure. What's a weird number that we could try? I mean, obviously here we have to keep it within the range of -5 to 5, but is there something that's weird that we could put in and see if it works?
Yes.
What?
And this one will actually be between 5 and 5.
Okay.
We could do 0.
0 is kind of weird.
No, not just 0 by itself. 0.0005.
What do you think is going to happen?
I think we're going to go basically nowhere.
What do you think, Haleemah?
We're not going to go very far. I'm not 100% sure what the end location will be, but we will have hardly traveled anywhere.
E.T. and Haleemah are experiencing some technical difficulties on the applet. Luckily, they can use their whiteboard to arrive at a precise ending location.
ET, would you write down the value for V that you want to enter? And then let's try it.
Okay, so V equals 0.0005.
Awesome. And then guys, let me know when you're ready to have me enter something into the calculator if you need it.
So, yes.
Three times 0.0005.
That is 0.0015.
Okay. Plus 4 equals 4 point. So we hardly traveled anywhere.
At first, Haleemah and E.T. weren't totally convinced that any number could be put in for v. But after they tried the weirdest value that E.T. could think of, 0.0005, they realized that any value can be substituted for the letter v. This includes whole numbers, decimals and fractions, and even negative numbers. In this lesson, Haleemah and E.T. have gone above and beyond to achieve their goal, which was to represent Hector's scooter trips using algebra and think about using negative, decimal, and fraction values for the different algebraic symbols.